Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I hope things get better. So on today's episode, we are going to do the Walmart beauty box. This is a quarterly box. It's about $7, I believe now. I will link it down below if you are interested in this box. Like I said, it's just a quarterly box, not monthly. $7 is not bad for the items that you get. They're mostly deluxe size samples, and every now and then it has a full size item. So let's get started. So I open it up, and that's what it looks like. You know, nothing fancy, just the box. And there are the items, and it does come with this card. Here you go, Walmart Beauty. And then these are the items that are in it. So let's go ahead and get started on this. I already see one of my favorite items in here. So let's put this here. So this is the Wakati. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. If not, please correct me down below if you can. Optimum moisture for finger detangling for natural hair. So there we go. That's one item. And those are the directions. And we'll see how that works. And that item normally goes for $9.99 for 8 ounces. Of course, this is not 8. I don't believe this is 8 ounces. This is 2 ounces, so a quarter of a full-size item. Not bad. So what else do we have in here? Let's do this one. This is Find Your Happy Place Sun-Kissed Ocean Waves Hand Cream. You can never go wrong with hand cream. It's sea salt and water blossom. This is good for your purse. So there you go. There's your ingredients. And let's see what that says. That says the full size is $3.47 for 1 ounce. Oh, so this is a full size item. Get out, $3.50 for that. And let's go ahead. Considering your box is $7, that's not bad. The next item is Cetaphil Sheer Mineral Sunscreen. Can never go wrong with sunscreen either. You put this in your purse. You put some on your face if you can. Or for me, on my arm, I have a trucker's arm because my arm is always out the window. And I always have one arm darker than the other. So this would come in handy. And that is, the full size is 3 ounces. And it's $14.49. So yeah, this is 0.35 fluid ounces. So that's not bad to try it out. And if you don't like it, you don't have to buy the full-size item. And you're not out a lot of money. The next item is Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. I do use this. This is good to have. I actually have one at work that I keep. You know, on those days that I'm feeling kind of sweaty or I'm just working a lot. I use that and keep these at work. So these are good to have. The full-size item of that is $7.94 for 6 ounces. So, again, a nice little item to keep in your purse or at work or anywhere in the shower. And what's the next item? So this is called Filler Instinct. And this is by NYX. Oh, what color is this? Where's the color? Where are you at? Am I reading this wrong or what? Oh, there we go. Bitten Pout. Plumping lip color. What color is that? Like brown? Be interesting. I think I'll try this out. This has to be a sample size, right? 0.09 ounces. And that says full size. Oh, that's what it looks like. I thought it was going to have like a, what do they call doe foot? You know, I thought it was going to be liquid. Not that. It's actually different. NYX filler. So that item is $8. Wow. No wonder you can hear something shaking and rattling around in there. I actually thought it was going to have a doe foot, whatever it's called. I thought it was liquid. I thought it was going to be a liquid lipstick. So I'm definitely going to try this out. And the last item is this. And I love these. I've gotten these a few times. These are the Listerine Ready tabs. Chew to transform from solid to liquid. Absolutely. You know, pop it in your mouth, you chew it, and that's it. And you have like fresh breath. These are awesome. I do like these. I carry these around with me, but these are great to have. These and those little, like, what are they called? Like sheets, the Listerine sheets. But these are awesome. And let's see what that says. A chewable fresh breath tablets transform from solid to liquid within seconds, helping fight bad breath for up to 4 hours. Yeah, definitely. And the full size is 24 tabs for $6. And here you're getting, how many are you getting here? 2, 4, 6, 8. So you get 8. Not bad. Like $2 or something for these. So that's everything in this box. There we go. Check out the latest. You can go on there. And then this is for the sunscreen. But that's everything. I mean, it's not a fancy box. It's $7 a quarter. And you always get some nice items. And if you don't use everything, you can always donate them. Again, let's recap. You get the Listerine Ready tabs. These are it says 8 tablets right on here. 0 alcohol, and they're sugar-free. And then we have the Wakati. I feel like I'm saying it so wrong. This is a detangling advanced conditioner for your hair. And that's nice to have. Then we have the Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. And we also have the Cetaphil Share Mineral Sunscreen. Also nice to have these little ones. And this lotion here, oh, not lotion, this is hand cream. So it is going to be a little slightly thicker. And this is a full-size item. So this is everything in the box. Like I said, it's nothing fancy. It is quarterly. And it's just wrapped in plastic with the address on there. And their boxes are recyclable. Oh, and I forgot this. And the next filler and stay. I want to open this, but you know me with my in-person nails. Let me see if I can open this. And we can look at it. Open it. I actually struggle to open this, okay? I had to use my teeth. So that's what that looks like. And now I can't even put it on me. Oh no. Wait, hold on. I'll be right back out. I'll put some on my hand. I had to cut out back. And look at that. That's a nice sheer color. That is perfect for the summer right now. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out, and I love it. I love the color, and I also like the fact that it's just sheer, you know. And it looks like it's very moisturizing. So I'm definitely gonna use that. But I did struggle to open it with one hand. I had to use my teeth, which I don't recommend. But I actually like that very much. So that is everything in the box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Probably did, because my face is not in it. But anyways, nice couple products. And if you don't use everything, you can always give them away, donate them to someone, or, you know, I just think these will definitely come in handy. You can always wear sunscreen when you're outside, on your face, on your arms. Very, very important. It's just very important. I know I grew up in an age where sunscreen wasn't important. We wanted to be really dark and tanned and be at the beach all the time. And now we're like, a lot of us are in our 40s, 50s, and we are regretting the fact that we didn't put no sunscreen on. So take care of your skin. Very important. Again, that's lipstick. So that is all. So thank you all for being here. Thank you. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll link everything down below. So if you want to get this box, you know, 1 month I got a palette. So thank you all for hanging out with me. Until next time, hasta later.